There are a lot of best Forex brokers in Sweden, and it is difficult to pick the right one for you. Luckily, you don't have to. In this video, we will provide the top Forex brokers list in Sweden. Also, we will talk about the ways to choose when looking at different metrics such as bonuses, customer service quality, trading conditions like whether regulated or not, and many more. Best Forex brokers in Sweden's list. There are many Forex brokers available in Sweden, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, FX Choice, IC Markets, FBS Markets, Blackball Markets, XM, HF Markets, Axi, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Sweden, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Yes, you can easily trade Forex in Sweden, as the government has not put any legal restrictions in place. On top of that, it is a European country, and you have many options when choosing a broker. Trading with a regulated broker is recommended to secure your investment. That being said, if you are worried about finding regulated Forex brokers in Sweden, fear not, there are many regulated brokers out there. All the Sweden Forex brokers list mentioned in this video are regulated. For more information, you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. So, if you choose one from our list, then we believe you will stay safe and hassle-free. There are various things or criteria to look at when it comes to choosing the best online brokers in Sweden. If you don't know what to look for, you may end up with a scam broker or a broker that takes most of your earnings. So here are a few criteria to look at while you're choosing a Forex broker for trading. Criteria 1. Regulations. Criteria 2. Account types. Criteria 3. Fees. Criteria 4. Minimum deposit. Criteria 5. Country of origin. Criteria 6. Offered currency pairs. Criteria 7. Technical analysis tools. Criteria 8. Customer reviews. Criteria 9. Access to margin trading. And criteria 10 is reputation. The trading interface is important for any trader because it will allow you to trade easily. However, the trading interface should be simple and easy to use. You may have different expectations for the trading platforms depending on your preferences. However, most of the brokers offer MT4 or MT5 platforms, which can help you in making Forex trading in Sweden easier. Moreover, when choosing a Forex broker, you should also choose one that offers software as well. You will get the benefit of using software, and you can also use multiple software with your broker as well. Customer support plays an important role in any service or product. As Forex trading is completely online and there is no face-to-face interaction with your broker, customer support is the only solution to all your concerns. So, ensure that the offered customer support is good and safe. Moreover, there are some scam brokers that only offer phone support. So don't trust them just because they claim to have a live chat, as it is possible that there is no one to answer you on a chat. As you see, some of the things mentioned above can help you in choosing the best Forex brokers in Sweden. So, start your research, and you will find the best Forex broker which suits your needs. Also, you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com for more information.